All right, let's talk about the absolute madness that is meme coin trading. If you've been anywhere near it, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It's the Wild West. It's chaotic, it's unbelievably fast, and trying to find the next big coin can feel completely impossible. Well, today, we're diving into a tool that's making a serious attempt to tame that chaos. Let's get into it. I mean, this is the million-dollar question, isn't it? How do you possibly find an edge when thousands of new tokens are launching every single day? We're talking about a world where fortunes can be made and, let's be honest, lost in a matter of minutes. It is the definition of a high-stakes game. And right now, the main playground for that game has a name: Solana. For a while now, Solana has pretty much become the global hub for meme coin speculation. You can think of it like a modern, high-speed digital gold rush. And there are some very specific reasons why all this craziness ended up happening right here. It really all boils down to the tech. Solana is just fast. It's built for massive numbers of transactions, and they happen almost instantly. That makes it the perfect environment for the kind of high-frequency trading where every single millisecond can make a difference. You take that speed, you add in all the available liquidity, and what you get is the perfect storm for meme coin mania. And when I say gold rush, I mean it. The numbers here are just staggering. Get this, $18 billion. That's the total trading volume on just one of these meme coin creation platforms. It is just mind-bending to think about that kind of volume. And all that trading frenzy has created some serious value. The biggest meme coins on Solana have a combined market cap of nearly $8 billion. So yeah, the stakes are incredibly high, which, of course, brings us right back to our main question. How on earth do you navigate a world this fast and this risky? Well, this is where our main topic for today steps in. A platform called Axiom has popped up, and it's positioning itself as a professional-grade toolbox. It's designed specifically to bring some much-needed order to all of this chaos. So what exactly is Axiom? At its core, it's a specialized trading terminal built right on top of Solana. And here's the kicker. This isn't some random project that appeared out of nowhere. It's backed by Combinator, the famous startup accelerator. That's a huge stamp of credibility. The whole platform was built from the ground up with one goal in mind: giving serious traders a real, professional advantage. And to really get why this is such a big deal, you just have to look at what traders were doing before. I mean, it was a mess. You'd have a dozen browser tabs open, all of them lagging. You're trying to juggle multiple wallets, manually tracking buys in a spreadsheet. It was a recipe for disaster and missed opportunities. Axiom's entire pitch is forget all that. They put everything, the real-time data, the aggregated coin listings, the automated tracking, all into one clean platform. So has it actually worked? Oh yeah, the adoption has been nothing short of explosive. On a single day back in April, a day with over 26,000 active traders, Axiom captured an incredible 50%, half, of the entire Solana meme coin trading market. That isn't just growth, that is market domination. So how is it delivering that kind of an edge? Well, a big piece of the puzzle is a killer feature for discovering new tokens. It's a tool they call Pulse. Pulse is designed to show you the entire lifecycle of a meme coin, right from the beginning. You can see new pairs, which are coins that were literally just created. Then you can watch them in the final stretch as they build momentum before hitting a big exchange like Radium. And finally, you can track them once they've migrated and have full liquidity. The whole idea is to see that entire journey from birth to the big leagues all in one clean interface. But Pulse is really just the beginning. I mean, just think about all the information you'd want to have. You'd want to see what the successful traders are buying, right? So it has a wallet tracker. You'd want to know the real-time sentiment on Twitter. It's got that too. You definitely want to see if bots are swarming a new launch. Yep, there's sniper detection. On top of that, it gives you crucial risk data, like what percentage of the coin the developers are holding. All this stuff that you used to have to hunt for is now right there in the dashboard. And Axiom's ambition doesn't just stop at finding and buying the next hot meme coin. It's clearly evolving into a much more complete financial platform, one that caters to more advanced trading strategies.
Yeah, they're aiming to be a true all-in-one platform. They've integrated perpetual futures, which lets you make leveraged bets up to 50x on a token's future price. But it's not all just high-risk, high-reward plays. They're also adding ways to earn passive income, like staking stablecoins, with plans for even more. The goal seems to be creating a single place for multiple crypto strategies, from pure speculation to generating steadier yield.
Of course, anytime you have a tool this powerful and a market this volatile, there are always trade-offs. You can't just look at the shiny features. You have to talk about the incentives that are fueling this growth, and more importantly, the risks and the reality on the ground. So first, let's talk rewards. Axiom has this really clever tiered system to get people trading. It's simple. The more volume you trade, the higher your tier. And the higher your tier, the less you pay in fees, and the more cashback you get in SOL tokens. It's a powerful feedback loop that's designed to reward the most active traders and, of course, keep them on the platform. On top of that, there's a points system. The platform rewards all your activity with points. And the big, unspoken promise here is that those points could lead to a future airdrop. Basically free money in the form of a new token for being an early and active user. And in the world of crypto, that potential for a big payday is a massive, massive incentive for people to sign up and stay loyal. But, and this is a big but, whenever you see that kind of insane parabolic growth, you have to step back and ask some hard questions. Is all of this activity real? Is all of that volume actually organic? This has led some people in the community to raise concerns about wash trading. That's when traders, or bots, just trade back and forth with themselves to create the illusion of high volume. Now, this doesn't mean Axiom's success isn't real, but it's a critical reminder that in this space, you have to be skeptical. You have to do your own homework. And really, that brings us to the most important takeaway. One analysis I saw put it perfectly. Traders looking to survive and thrive should treat Axiom not just as a platform, but as a toolbox. The most powerful tool in the world can't guarantee you'll succeed in a market this speculative. Axiom gives you a serious, undeniable edge, but ultimately, that edge is only as sharp as the trader who's wielding it.